I'm Lex.
I am William.
And these are some... You guys, this is my ice cream. Sorry.
We're professionals around here.
I'm such a child. Look, everyone put sprinkles on it for Halloween.
Yeah.
That is literally who I am.
Heck yeah.
We hide nothing. These are previously confirmed hits from a show.
Except for the monsters.
Oh, except for this one. Yeah, and that's a totally blind box seal that we just bought from Pop Mart today. Okay. So I'm just going to show these to you really quick so we can get to the fun Pop Mart one. And I'm really hoping it's a bottle and not a can because I always hit cans and I just need a bottle for my collection. These are kind of cute. These are a Dumia Maymei, and they're like little fish mermaids with ears.
We have one already? Mm-mm. Different version?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
We don't have any of these, so I don't care which one I get. They're all cool. I'll show you. I don't really remember what I... Oh, yep. See? Oh, her little head fell off. Her little...
Oh, what happened to her horns?
Her antlers. You guys, she has antlers. They're really cute. Oh my gosh, her eyes are super pretty. So...
Deep ocean blue.
Yeah, they're nice. I'll show her better in a second, you guys. Let me get her little... She has like little antler horns. They're so cute. When we were at Pop Mart today, you guys, we have to tell you the story about the bags at Pop Mart. Because
you would think they were like made of silk or something.
or gold.
Yeah.
Something like gold leaf. This is really pretty. This reminds me of like a 70s or 80s toy.
It does, right?
Very like gelfling.
Yeah.
With the see-through transparent fins. Yeah. Little labyrinthy. I like it. I like it a lot. It's so cute.
Nice.
The eyes are really pretty. You guys can't see. Hold on. I'll zoom out a little. There. Is that better? Now you can actually see the toy. Isn't she pretty? So that's a great one. I love her. I'm keeping this one. I only have one, so it's not going to be a choice. You know, it's like just that one. Here, can you open this little one? Let's see which one of those we got. Show the side first. Okay, so the story about the bags at Pop Mart. So we were in Pop Mart, like usual, buying probably close to $500 worth of stuff. And I can't connect to my Pop Mart account because it never works in that shop. Ever. So I can't get my Pop Mart points, which is... That's really cute.
That's very cute. Look at how pretty the face is.
Heterochromia.
Does she have a breathe right strip there? Is she trying to not snore?
Did you just call her little Band-Aid a breathe right strip? So those are Crazy Circus. What maker makes those? Let's see. These are Top Toy Sherfon Maymeis. So it's like a mini Maymei.
Mini Maymeis.
There are a lot of hits in this series. That red one would be cool.
Yeah, it's pretty.
I actually think we got one of the cooler ones because there's only a couple double tone.
Yeah.
So that one's actually really pretty. It looks like peppermint to me.
It does.
She's called like Juggler or something, but I don't know. What is she called? What is she called? Acrobat Star. Acrobat Star. Yeah, no. She looks like Christmas peppermint.
Yeah.
Who hasn't slept very well because she's staying up
she snores too much.
late at night. No, because she snores too much. Because she's drinking the hot chocolate with peppermint, and then she's drinking too much coffee in the morning. She's like,
the interesting, like,
these are cute.
Normally when the plushes are this small, like just the heads, a lot of times their faces aren't as quality as that. That's a quality face.
Quality face. Will would like you to know that's quality face.
That's a Margot Robbie right
quality face. It's funny. You want to do this one? That's a big one.
Yeah.
Here, we can set the... Oh, yummy. Silicone. Silicone. Yum, yum. I'll move this out of your way, too. So...
This is a Kimmon.
A Kimmon.
Kimmon. Same thing.
What'd you call it?
Kimmon.
A Kimmon?
French.
Pretty. Can you see?
Cool.
I'm trying to tilt the phone towards you a bit. So, can't connect to the Pop Mart account. Can't get my points. And then... The nice, very nice... young man at the register says, "Do you want a bag for like 40 cents?" Oh, that's adorable.
Elephant. Those colors are great. It's like a Himalayan Nepal type color scheme.
And paisley ears.
Yeah.
Very cute. He's got like vintage vibes, like vintage business vibes.
Yep.
He's cute. Those eyes are really pretty. And he's got a little cape.
It's like a Sherpa.
Does he smell good? Sometimes those smell.
It does. It smells like patchouli. Not really, but like a very, incense vibe.
I like his little teeths.
Yeah.
So we say, yes, we'd like a bag.
Yeah.
And then he goes, oh, all your stuff won't fit in one bag because you guys, the bags keep getting smaller and smaller.
Tell me about it.
Every store, they keep getting smaller and smaller.
And they keep charging more and more for them. Mm-hmm. This was like 40, 50 cents, whatever it is.
Yeah. And he goes, so do you want to pay for 2 bags? And we're like, whatever, yes.
Yeah,
like, we need something to
back.
carry all these little boxes out of the store in. And again, he was really nice. So he rings up one bag. And rings up all the boxes. And he forgets about adding our second bag because we get distracted because someone's telling us how we can, like, contact customer service to get our points, which I'm not convinced is going to work. Right. And anyway... So at the end of, like, ringing us up, and he's already, like, finished the transaction, he goes, oh, my gosh, you guys, I forgot, like, just as he's finishing, right. I forgot to charge you for the second bag. You would have thought that he was going to be fired on the spot with the way he was behaving. I felt, and he was just like, so do you want me to re-ring your card for, like, 38 cents? Or do you just want to not get the bag? And I was just like... Never before in my life.
Yeah, most of the time they'll just give you another bag.
First of all, it's just a bag. And we need it.
Paper bag.
And it was your mistake. And we spent over $400 in the store. And I'm not getting my points. So I'm having to talk to the other employee about that. But he was just literally like, these are the options. Pay for it. Or don't get it and get the heck out of here. And he wasn't being mean. He was not like, don't let me like construe this. He was just like, the look on his face, you guys, he looked like he was horrified. When he first did it, I was like, it's okay. Like, it's just a bag. It's not okay. Because I thought he was horrified that he hadn't rung it up. And he wasn't horrified that he hadn't rung it up.
No.
He was horrified that he couldn't give us a bag for free. And he knew that he absolutely had to charge for that bag. And that if he did not charge for that 40-cent bag, he was going to be fired where he stood. That was the look on his face, and that was what his voice and actions were like. And we were both like, dude, it's okay.
So 40 cents, which would be 0.1% of the purchase price.
Right.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure there's some surcharge for using your debit card for that low of an amount too. Like, so I was just like, don't worry about it. Like, I was like, don't worry about it. You don't have to run another transaction. We'll make do with one bag. Like, it's not that big of a deal. And he goes, oh, okay. Are you sure? Like, and it's just like,
he's trying to shove it all in one.
Because he was really gonna have to rerun a whole nother transaction after we spent $400 for a 40-cent bag or whatever it was, 38 cents. And I was just like, this is insane. This poor kid. My assumption when he first did it was, oh, he's upset that he forgot to ring it up for us. No, he was upset that he almost let us leave with one free bag, and he literally was acting like it would have cost him his job. So I've got to tell you guys. Oh yeah, you can shut it. I already ripped it open because I was having a stressful day. I got that from Hot Topic. He's really cute.
So it's like a crybaby, but soft and not.
It's a stress squeezy. Yeah. It's a squeezy Dead Reaper. I love you guys. These kind of like vintage hang bag looking pieces. You know how they do like the hang bag toys? I was bad. I ripped this one open because I wanted to play with the toy. But usually I keep them in their original hang bags because that's so adorable. Pop Mart, we gotta talk. We gotta talk about what the heck are you doing to your employees? Then I'm walking in there spending easily $2,000 every, I don't know.
3 or 4 weeks, yeah.
Yeah. Well, we spend about $400 a week sometimes for 4 weeks in a row. That's $2,000 in a month.
Yep. And
that's not a flex, you guys. It's for content. It's for shows. We also collect, and some of them I resell, as I've also often mentioned on the show. So that's not a flex. Like, we by no means can afford that, you know. But
just beyond
but when you're spending that much, and you have an account with Pop Mart that is showing that much, and okay, first of all, Pop Mart, what are we doing about the accounts? Because first of all, it was give us your phone number and you can just use your phone number in store. Then it became you have to have the app on your phone to get your points when you're making purchases in store. And then I put the app on my phone, and today they said, oh, we don't have good Wi-Fi here, so it won't work at all. So there's nothing we can do about it. And I was just like, this Pop Mart, we got to do better. We got to do better. You got to do better for me, the patron of your business, and for your employees who are terrified that they're going to burn in the fiery crucible of the dark place if they so much as let someone have a free bag.
So you want this one?
Yes, I want this one.
What is this one?
It's him popping out of a soda can.
Oh, okay.
I know it's the secret. I actually don't like it very much. I just want a bottle one. which I feel like is a lot of people feel that way. I have the can.
Yeah.
This is him popping out of a can. We all just want the bottle.
Right.
And everyone who gets a bottle keeps it because they're mean and they don't let us buy it. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Okay. We're going to open this one from the bottom in case it's a dupe. Just in case somebody needs it for Christmas, especially with there's no toys out there in the world. There's no toys in Target. There's no toys in Walmart. There's no toys in Best Buy. There wasn't a single NECA figure. I was like, what is going on out there? You guys, look. That was right on the bottom of the box. Like, just waiting for me. I want to see him. I'm so glad I got one. Not to be really awful, but there was like a 14-year-old boy that bought one right in front of me. And then he went outside of the Pop Mart before I got mine and opened it. And I was like, because I walked out to get a sandwich from the food cart, which is like right across from the Pop Mart store. I was like, hey, did you get a bottle? And he was like, we all want the bottle. And I was like, did you get a bottle? And I was like, no, I got the stupid can. So I was like, that probably means I got a bottle because I bought the box right back next to his. Yeah. And I was like, oh, I'm so sorry. But on the inside, I was like, yes. I'm horrible. I am also going to the dark, fiery place.
This is the 4th one you got, I think, or something like that. So yeah, they have 3.
Look how cute. See, I wanted it with the little bottle.
Look at the silicone in that one.
Yeah, they really want to keep them dry. They really want to keep them dry. I might leave him in there for now.
Yeah.
Because he's got to go in the closet where all the good boo-boos live.
I kind of like... I do Pepsi guy versus Coke, but I do get... These are more quality than the standard boo-boos.
Yeah. Yeah, the Coke collectible ones are nicer made.
The faces are better.
They're in better condition.
More detail.
For sure, I agree. Which is kind of sad.
Yeah.
For a while, nobody wanted the Coke Boo-Boos. Everyone was like, oh, it's like a name brand. It's a weird collab. Nobody's interested. And then once they sold out and they started skyrocketing in price a bit, suddenly everybody wanted the Coke Boo-Boos.
They're not cheap to buy live. Like, they're pricey.
How much was it in the store?
$50.
This was $50 in store?
$48.99, something like that. Yeah, it's no joke.
Wow, I didn't know that. Yeah. My gosh. Glad I only got the one.
Right.
$50.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's a grip. I think they've gone up because I think we bought there before the past.
Can we talk about the weird blush on the packaging? Look at the edges of his mouth.
Well, he's embarrassed.
Yeah, but do you see how the ink? This is a real product from Pop Mart. We just bought it today, you guys. So I'm just saying, like, look, this is sort of things that, like, if you saw that on packaging, you might think it's a fake. See that?
Yeah.
So right on the corners of his mouth.
Yeah.
The coloring ink is, like, done really badly. But that's a real product, and this has just been a bad print. So I left him in his box. I'm really happy I got the bottle. That's exciting. Yeah, Pop Mart, stop terrorizing your employees.
About bags.
Also, supply them with bags. And get your Wi-Fi working so that I can have my points, please. Yeah. Because my ice cream's all melted and icky looking. Nobody wants to eat that. What the heck? Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thank you.